Good afternoon. Am I audible? The participants, can you say, am I audible? Okay, good afternoon. We welcome you for the day 3 of this 5 days national level faculty development program on writing research articles using LaTeX Overview. It's a great pleasure that we extend a warm welcome to Dr. K. Bharati from Department of Mathematics, SCSVMV University as our esteemed resource person for today's session. Dr. Bharati will have been leading this third day FDP on writing equations and mathematical formula in LaTeX using Overleaf. Her expertise will undoubtedly provide valuable insights and practical skills for all the participants. Her session will cover the hands-on experience in creating well-formatted equations and mathematical expressions. This information is not only beneficial for preparing research papers, but also for enhancing teaching materials and academic presentations. We are excited to have Dr. Bharati with us and look forward to a productive and enlightened session. The participants kindly utilize the resource person. If you have any doubts, you can just post your messages in the chat box. So once the mathematics equation session is over, we will start with figures session. Over to you, madam.
Yes, good afternoon to all. I first thank Department of EIE for giving me this opportunity for being a resource person in teaching LaTeX to share my knowledge. If you have any doubts when I am doing, you can post in the chat box. I can reply your doubts if I can. Okay. Let me start. Whether I am audible? Yes. So, day 3. So, today I am going to take writing mathematical formulas in LaTeX. So here I am going to use, show today the basic mathematical operations, how to create basic mathematical operation and some basic equation. You can insert an article also. Today now I am going to write this in the Beamer. Instead of article I am going to use the thing Beamer. That is, here when I use Beamer, the thing will change into a PPT presentation. My output will be as a PPT presentation. Okay. So for that, first I am starting like this. So I am starting like this. So the document class 18, I am giving the font size 18. Here is font size. According to your output, you can give the font size. And here it is beamer. In bracket beamer means my output will be in PPT. Output will be as a slides. So here I am inserting some more things. So if I want to insert image, we need graphical tool. So user package graphical. So to insert mathematical equation, we need AMS Max user package and AMS font, AMS symbol. This three is especially for max and pictures, mathematical equations and symbols and pictures. So I have inserted it, and here ragged 2E is it is in PPT, no? So for that it will arrange, it has many types. In that one type is ragged 2E. So I have given that thing. So this is all include with colors and whatever it want. And here I have set some title, writing mathematical formula. Title is writing mathematical formula in LaTeX, and author name I have given my name and designation, and I no need date, so I have given date with a single thing. And begin document, end document, I have started it. So in begin document, end document, first I need first slide as a make title. So I have given make title. So now I just run and see this, what happens. See, I have got my title slide, first slide. My output will be as a first slide. It is with the output as a PPT presentation. It will be as a PPT presentation. So now I want next thing to start with the introduction. So to start with the introduction, so since it is a slides, we are going to use one thing, that is begin frame and end frame. First, begin frame and end frame. So I will say, so here see, after make title I have given begin in frame, and I need the frame title. In that frame I need a title, so it is introduction. So and I am beginning introduction. After in PPT we will be giving us points. So to give us a points, I am using again begin in itemize. Begin in itemize will give it as a points for us. Points. So here I am just compiling. I have, and whatever points I have typed as itemize. That is LaTeX is a powerful typing system widely used in writing academic papers, especially in the field such as mathematics, computer science, etc. Like that, just for introduction, I have given the introduction of LaTeX in point wise for one slide. So how many points I need? I need 5 points, means you can give each point in slash item and you can type the content, whatever you want. So and you should give end itemize and end frame. So we started with begin frame. In frame, begin frame, I need a title for that frame. So frame title, introduction I have given, and I need everything in items, that is as points. So begin itemize, inside itemize, whatever, how many points I need, each one I should type in items. So and finally first end itemize and then end frame. If I give, see here, if I compile, yes, so I have got the second slide with introduction and whatever the points I have typed, is like this, whatever the points. So now I'll move on to next basic mathematical operator syntax I am going to give in each slide now. So I am now moving on to the next slide. I'm sorry. See, I have copied and pasted, so it is coming like that. Begin frame is only there. I am giving here end frame also. Whenever begin frame comes, end frame also will come. Frame, and I think itemize also I have introduced. So I am So I have started the next slide like this. Begin frame, again frame title. Here basic syntax of mathematics. I am going to start. So and begin itemize. First item, in general the mathematical concepts, whatever the mathematical equation I am going to give should be inside a dollar symbol. I should represent everything in the dollar symbol. For example, I want to write like this. F is a function from A to B. F is a function from A to B. So we will write like this. F is a function means with the arrow A to B arrow. I need such an equation. So I have in dollar symbol I have typed like this. F is a function from A to B, whereas A and B are set of real numbers and defined as f of A equal to B. So the equation part alone will be in the, or the mathematical representation parts all should be inside a dollar symbol. If I am not using the dollar symbol and I am writing as it is means, it will be different. I'll show that also. So this is 30th line is without dollar symbol I have done. So see, I am compiling. My output you can see, I'll show the difference what happened when without dollar symbol we are doing it. So it is showing something wrong. That is in general the mathematical equation. What I have written in dollar symbol is like this. What is not in the dollar symbol is not aligned properly. It is not aligned properly. So somewhere some mistake is there. I'll rectify it. So begin itemize, I have given the item. End frame, yes. Yes. See now my output I have took out. So basic syntax for mathematics. So in general the mathematical formula contains or given between the dollar symbol. the dollar symbol, inside the dollar symbol, how I have written, it is f function f is from A to B. So, see, it is to TO, the slash TO, A to B, and A also I have given inside the dollar symbol. If I give a normal without dollar symbol, if the A is there, it will be as a alphabet only. But here it is as set A and B. The size will be different, and the set of real numbers, and it is defined like this. So I am not using this thing. I want f is a function from A to B in the center of the page. Center of the page means I can use this thing also. So a slash, open a square bracket, inside the square bracket I can write f is a function from A to B. If I write like this, it will display the thing in the center. So in the basic operator, the next thing what we are going to see is addition and subtraction coding. So I am giving this in this slide itself. I am not moving for the next slide. So I am giving us a second item. First item, generally how to form a equation. So second item, addition and subtraction. See, I want to add two things. Inside dollar symbol I have given this double slash is for next line display. That's all. Okay, next line display. So inside dollar symbol x plus y and x minus y. Sometimes we will be having plus or minus or plus we should write in some equations. So that is represented by PM. Slash PM means plus or minus. Slash MP means minus or plus. So, see, I have given everything in a single line. If I compile, in the same slide I will be getting. So, addition and subtraction, x plus or minus y, x minus x minus y, x plus or minus y, x minus or plus y. So, if you want space still more means you can give V space, H space, whatever you want to give, you can give and we can align it also. So, this is addition and subtraction. In addition and subtraction, we have these things plus, minus, plus or minus, minus or plus. And next, I am moving on to the next slide. I am giving multiplication, division and fraction. How to write? We will see. Multiplication, division and fractions. So I am again beginning with a frame, end frame over. So now, so let us begin frame, frame title the same in basic syntax. So I have given the same thing. So itemize first thing multiplication. So in the multiplication, if I need multiplication symbol, cross symbol means times, x times of y, or I need asterisk star, AST, or I need just a star, or I need C dot means it will be just a dot. So here I should give end frame, then only it will come, output will come. And itemize. One minute. Already it is there. So end itemize, end frame is there. So now just I will compile. So the multiplication, cross. First one is times means it is cross, and asterisk I am getting the star symbol, and star symbol, and C dot is just a dot, x dot y we are getting it. So here itself I am giving one more thing, that is how to write division, fractions, roots, everything as a one item. Next point. So division, fraction. So division, x divides y. Just I have given x divide, div, not division, and or I need numerator some value, denominator some value, means I can use this thing also, slash fraction, f or a, fraction. In scroll bracket you should write the numerator and denominator. So same thing I have done. If I need square root value, square root or nth root value, I can have this thing, that is square sqrt inside whatever the value I need I should put. Or I need nth root of something, means sqrt in square bracket I should write n and then of x. So I will be getting this as item 2. So it is division, fraction and roots. See, first I have given div. For div, the division symbol I am getting. I need in fraction x by y. So fraction x by y. So in numerator x and in the denominator y. Next thing I have given in fraction numerator a plus b, in the denominator a minus b I need. So it is getting like that. So whatever I need in the numerator or denominator, we can fix it. So any doubts? Any doubts? Till now it's clearer. Let me continue. So if you have any doubts till now, you can give me in the chat box. Let me continue with the basic operations of mathematics. Okay, I am continuing now. Yes, multiplication, division, roots is over. Next. Yes, we will be having that integration, summation and products symbols will be used in mathematics. For that, I am creating the next slide. So begin frame. So I have begin frame. Frame title basics, the same thing, basic syntax for mathematics. First item, itemize, it is not multiplication, I think. 1 minute. Yes, multiplication already we have done, no? So no need this. So division and fractions also we have done. Sorry. So this is the thing. Begin in frame. Frame title basic syntax for mathematics. Integration, summation and product. For integration, integration will be between the limits a to b, yes or no? So it is giving a slash int integral lower limit. For lower limit underscore a. For upper limit it is arrow, up arrow b of f of x into dx. F of x into dx we should write like this. And similarly for summation symbol, you know, in that for I varying from 1 to n we will be giving. So I equal to 1 will be in the lower script, for that underscore, and for the upper script it is with arrow. Similarly, just I need integration limits, a product symbol will be like pi symbol, and in the lower point I will be giving the lower limit and upper limit it will come. So I will just run and show the difference. I have given two types of the thing. Integration limits one thing, without limits one thing. So what is the change we will see. Yes. The first three syntax, see integral a to b. the integration, the limits is not exactly at the bottom and end. Similarly, in summation also, it is I equal to 1 to n is not at end and top, and then product also. So if I need exactly in the end of the symbols, I should use integral limits underscore, it is a and arrow b. So if I use like that, it will be integral over a to b of f of x into dx. Similarly in summation also, the same limits if I use, it will be exactly in the down place, it is I equal to 1 to n. Similarly in product symbol also, I am getting it in the exact down place. So we can write neatly the equation. So now we have, other than this integration, differentiation, we are having partial derivative, differentiation, partial derivatives, limits, infinity should be inserted. So for that, the basic representation, how to represent this thing, we are going to see. So I am creating that thing in a begin frame, in derivatives and partial derivatives. So I need definitely derivative fraction dx by dy, we will be writing in fraction. So I am starting inside dollar symbol, fraction of d by dx, d by dx of f of x. Similarly fraction of d square, second derivative, d square. So inside d square, dx square f of x. This is partial derivative. For partial differentiation, I am having in numerator, it should be dou by dou x, no? So it is partial, I am just giving partial in it. So I will expand this thing, you can see here. So in the numerator, partial, denominator also partial derivative of x, of f of x comma y, f of x comma y. So if I need dou square means partial, here I should put a cap and square. So compiling, yes, derivatives. The first one, fraction of d by dx of f of x, d square by dx square of f of x, dou by dou x of f of x comma y. So limits and infinity. So limit means limit, a function limit tending to x is tending to 0 of f of x. Here two things I have written, that is limit x tends to 0 of f of x. Just if I write like that with underscore, it is behind, after limit it is giving x tends to 0. But I need exactly below the limit, that limit x tends to 0 should be under the limit, means I should insert one more thing, that is limits slash limits. This is the coding. If I give that thing, it will come exactly limit x tends to infinity down. And similarly in integration also, already we have given, but for infinity, to insert infinity, we have minus infinity in fi ty, infinity. Okay, so this is the thing. And e power x square, how to write? E power x square into dx is equal to pi, square root of pi. So we can write the equations like this. Yes, any doubts? Any doubts? Shall I continue? I think I have completed the basic yes, no doubts. Okay, I am continuing. This is basic operators, how to use the symbols actually. Operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication and limits, integration symbols, how to write till now we have seen. Now I am moving on to next partial derivatives, limit infinity I have completed. Set theory and logic symbols. Set theory and logic symbol, how to insert I am going to give. Set theory means we will be using, we will be writing A union B, A intersection B, A given B and null set, these things operators, how to code this thing in LaTeX. So, in basic syntax, I have started with begin itemize. Begin itemize and first item is here set theory. Set theory. So, inside the dollar symbol I have given A cap B, A union B, cap symbol. It will be like union, sorry, A cup, like a cup. A cup B is union, A cap B is intersection. Set minimum means that is subset. A is a subset of B we will be writing, no? For that set minimum. Empty set we will be writing phi, no? Phi. For that just empty set. Subset, superset implies if and only if means two side bracket, two side arrow equality symbol. Negation we will be using in logic, negation of A. So, NEG, negation of a set. So, and for all in X there exist. These are the main things we will be using in set theory and logics. So, to insert that thing we can use this, these are the basic coding things. So, I will compile and show. So, yes. So, basic set theory, cup means A union B, cap A intersection B and set minimum means A given B. A given B, we will be writing A given B and empty set phi and subset superset contained in the symbol is coming. Implies symbol, implies A implies B, if and only if and negation of A. So, we will be using in mathematical equation when I write, we will be saying for all X in A there exists something, we will be, so for all will be a V symbol like that, no? So, for that for all X in X, capital X in the set X. Similarly, there exists X, there exists X. So, these are the basic, till now we have seen all basic operators of mathematical operators. Now, I am going to move with equations, how to write equation, simple equation or anything. Yes. So, the next step now I am moving for how to write equations. So, again I have begun this frame. So, syntax for algebraic equation, I have given the title as syntax for algebraic equation. So, first itemize I am giving the simple equations, that is x plus y equal to something. So, or x is f of x is equal to some function of x. So, in that way I have given here, I have typed many equation here, that is the first equation. I will compile and show what are the equations I have typed here. Yeah. See the first equation inside the dollar symbol, z is equal to x plus y. Z is equal to x plus y. Next one, I need f of x is equal to x square x cos x e power 2x. This is the equation. So it can be just I am typing like that, f of x is equal to x square. So I am using cap, x cap 2. So minus the next term, I should write it in bracket, x cos x. So it is x cos x plus e to the power of 2x. If I did not write this in the scroll bracket, in the power only 2 will be there, x will not be there, x will be as a multiple. So I need in power 2x, so I am using a scroll bracket here. So I have got f of x is equal to x square minus x cos x plus e power 2x. So in that way I can use log equations also. We will be getting log of x square minus x minus cos x plus 1. So log of x square minus x is equal to, here equal to symbol is like minus symbol. See, when I expand it is getting. So log of x square minus x is equal to cos x plus 1. Cos x plus 1. Similarly, I need a fractional equation. Fractional equation I should use like this. That is in algebraic equation, log expression is over. Next one, f of x comma y also I have given on expression. See, fraction a by b equal to fraction of c by a. C by a. In that we can write the equation also. Sometimes x square plus y by x square minus y is equal to, also we can give that thing also. Similarly, next I have given some of the root equation using square roots. Inside square root I need x plus 2. So it is 1 minute. Square root of x plus 2. This is that equation. I will give you entire. Square root of x plus 2 is equal to 3. So I am getting. In some equation we will be using mod symbol. Modulus of, that is 2 dash. So just we are having the symbol in the thing. So we can use directly that thing. Or I need the word mod means slash mod of, you should give. Slash mod of, if I give, I will be getting that thing. So similarly, fraction equation and superscript like that anx is equal to some an minus 1. Geometric progressions equation we will be having in series equations. That can be written as using subscript symbol and superscript symbols. Okay. So it's clear. Writing simple algebraic equation, it is clear. Any doubt in us? Any doubt? Okay, let me continue. Okay, now. Yes, we will be having functions like this, no? F of x, f of x between 0 to pi, some value will be there. Piecewise continuous functions. How to write that functions? We are going to see with different limits. So here I am starting with a new frame. So begin frame. So I should insert in end frame. 1 minute. So here I want to write a piecewise function such that f of x is x square for x value greater than 0 and it is minus x for x less than 0. Yes, x less than 0. So for that, here I have started with dollar symbol. F of x is equal to, I have here given something, begin in case. Begin in case. So after f of x is equal to, inside dollar symbol only all this thing I should begin case, begin in case. Next, I need two things, two equations I need. That is x square. First one, it is equal to x square with a space. So for that space I am using this and symbol. It gives space. Okay, and I am using now text. I no need as a mathematical form, it should be as a text form. If text form is if x is greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to 0. In the next line I need the next thing. So I am giving double slash to come for the next line, and minus x if x is less than 0, and I am ending the case also. Inside that we should write, inside first dollar symbol, and then f of x is equal to begin case, end case. Begin, end case, I should write two lines. So if I compile this, I will show how we are getting the output. So a piecewise function, I have named it as piecewise function. So f of x is equal to, in a scroll bracket, x square if x is greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x is less than 0. The same thing will be in some limits, or pi by 2 pi we will be using. So I have some examples of that thing also. I will show you. So I am giving in the same slide itself. The next equation what I have given is f of x is equal to, I have begin the case. Inside dollar symbol, begin in case, I need sin x. F of x will be as a sin x if x is lying between 0 and pi by 2. X is lying between 0 and pi by 2. So sin x if 0 less than or equal to x, less or just I have given less than or equal to x, strictly less than pi by 2. So pi, whenever I am using pi symbol, I need pi symbol means slash pi. This is the code for it. So fraction, I need it in fraction, so it is fraction pi by 2. Similarly, the next equation is cos x if the fraction pi by 2, x lies between pi by 2 and pi, till pi I am taking. So it is fraction pi by 2 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to pi, otherwise it is 0. So 0, otherwise I should write this equation, means we should use this thing. I will compile and show. So it is a second equation, because in the same slide we are doing. So sin x if x is lying between 0 and pi by 2, cos x it is between pi by 2 and pi, and 0 otherwise. So these are the some of the examples. Whatever we need we can type here. Okay. So I am ending the case. It is very important. Here we are using begin case, end case document. Similarly, I will give another example such that it is lying between the limits. Limits means between an interval 0 to 1. 0 to, in that case I will give you one example. So the third thing, begin case, x square, I think I am wrong. Here I should have f of x is equal to, dollar symbol. So inside dollar symbol, f of x equal to, end dollar symbol is there. So f of x is equal to x square in the limit 0 to pi, that is 0 is included, 2 is not included, and it will be 3x minus 2 when x is in 2 comma 4. So belongs to will come here. So it will be 1 if x is in 4 to infinity. So I am using infinity symbol. So this thing, so x square in the interval 0 to 2, it is 3x minus 2 in the interval x belongs to 2 to 4, and it will be 1 for 4 to infinity. So it's clear, piecewise function. Yes, any doubt? Any doubt? So if you have any doubt, please give in the chat box. I am continuing now. Now I need simultaneous equations. Simultaneous equations we will be writing, and in some document we want to number the equation also. So I will give first how to write the equations without numbering, and with number how we are going to write. So I am beginning with the frame. So for each slide I should have begin frame and end frame. It is very important. So I have begin the frame, syntax for algebraic equation. So I need in every frame the title. So I have given the thing, frame title. So begin itemize system of equation. So for system of equation, so how for piecewise continuous function we use begin in case. Here we should use begin in align. Align, A-L-I-G-N, align. I have given star there. I no need numbering, equation numbering I no need. So I have given star there. So the first equation is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Here whenever I need it is in a align format, I should use before equal to and symbol. It will be very clear. So similarly 2 equations I have typed one below one, and I have given end align star. There also star because I no need numbering there. For that reason I have given this thing. So mostly when I give this align, it will align in center of the page. Center of the page. My equations will be in the center page, center position. See? So I have got 2 equations. So same thing I need with numbering. I need with numbering. Whenever we do in LaTeX, the numbering will continue for the whole document. So here first I am using the first numbering. The same syntax. I am starting with begin in document. Begin in align. Sorry. So control V. So I am just taking the star. Star in begin align and end align. I have took out the star. Without star I am giving just align. So what happens we will see. Yeah. Equation 1, 2. The 2 equations is numbered there. Yes ma'am, any doubt? Okay. Okay. So now the system of equation with I have given x plus y in x. If I am with coefficient, I am having a system of equation. How to type? With number and without number. I am just giving an example. So I am beginning in with a yes, begin frame, syntax for algebraic equation, system of equation with parameters, that is with coefficients. So I no need number, so I have given begin align star ax plus by equal to sum c and dx plus ey equal to sum f. So I have end the align with star. So for first set I will be getting without numbering. So again I need with numbering means I have just taken the star and given the same thing with end align. So now both equation I am compiling and showing. See the equation ax plus by equal to c, dx plus ey equal to f. So here I am getting 3 and 4 as equation numbers. Already 1 and 2 is in this document. So it is naming as 3 and 4. Similarly, we will be having simultaneous equations. 3 equations. So 3 equation with numbered and not numbered. Yes, begin frame, system of equation with 3 variables I am giving. So I have start with align star. So first equation 2x plus y minus z is equal to 1. So I need the next equation in next line. So double slash x minus 3y plus 2z is equal to 4 minus x plus y plus z is equal to 0. So end align. The same thing. With numbering I need means now it will be numbered as already 4 equations numbered. So 5, 6, 7 I will be getting equation number as 5, 6 and 7. Yeah. Yes, the equations, system of equations. So we can type the equation, system of equation or normal equation or piecewise continuous equations in this, and we can insert in the document also. The same coding for document also, article or letter, whatever you are writing, you can in books, everything we can insert. So when I give begin case, begin align, end align, it will give in center of the page. Center of the page. Yes, it's clearer. Let me continue with matrix operation. Yes, we can write equation in numbers with dotted line also. There is a code dotted dot after, for example, I can give like this. So equation number I need in dot, no. So I will be giving like this and symbol. Sorry. The first equation I am giving like this. And v dot, v dot. So I should get 1 minute. think it will come. Yes, we are getting the dot. So with and symbol, V dot. So how many dots we need, we can put. How many dots we need, we can put, and we can get with dots also. Or line, I need just a line also, we can V line. If I introduce that command, we will be getting the line. It's clear? Okay, va? Yes? Yes, let me continue. Yes, I am continuing with matrix. Let me continue. Your doubt is clear? Yes. Okay, I am continuing with matrix operation. So, how to write matrix? First, without bracket, just as rows and columns. How to write a matrix I am going to give. So, it is so I have given end frame. So I have started the syntax for matrix representation, basic matrix without any bracket, square bracket or anything. So I'll be here, I no need dollar symbol. For matrix, no need dollar symbol. I no need to write inside the dollar symbol. Till now we have written in dollar symbol. Whenever I want to represent a matrix, we no need to use dollar symbol. I'm just using a code beginning matrix. So matrix, the first row I have 3 elements, that is 1, 2, 3. Second row just double slash with second row elements 4 and 5 and 6. That 7, 8, 9. So I have given end matrix. This is V space I have given for the visibility only, just to get down only. So now I just compile and show. So the basic matrix representation as rows and columns, that's all. I need the same thing with bracket. So the same thing I need with normal bracket, means I should use the same thing I am going to use now. I need with parenthesis. So I am copying and pasting the same thing, begin matrix and end matrix till end matrix. So only one small change in it. So begin matrix here, P matrix, that's all. Begin P matrix, end P matrix. So the matrix will be represented in a bracket. So I have given this as a separate itemize element also. So I am giving a heading, just that's all. So the next item, matrix with bracket. So now the heading will be displayed here, matrix with parenthesis. See here I did not give V space, no, so it is very nearer to the topic. So I need space, so just I am introducing V space. So with spacing it will be given. Yes. The same thing, I need a square bracket, not the normal bracket. So for square bracket, the coding is nothing but I should use, 1 minute, B matrix. So the next item I am giving, this is B matrix of this thing. Yeah, the matrix with square bracket I am getting. So I don't need bracket, I need as a determinant of matrix, means how to write it. I need a determinant symbol. Determinant symbol means, so I am writing in a different frame. End frame, after end frame I am adding this. So I think I have given the square with bracket, so I am taking it. So matrix with vertical bar, just vertical bar is V matrix, V matrix. So with normal parenthesis P matrix, with a square bracket B matrix, for vertical bar it is V matrix, small v. Why I am saying, I will say. So compiling, so I am not getting title, why? Something is wrong. Begin frame, frame title, itemize I missed. Yes. Begin itemize is missing there. Begin itemize. So I am getting this thing. Instead of a single bar, I need double bar. Some equations we will be writing with double barred equations also. So for that, just the same thing with capital V I should write. That's all. The only change is with capital V, double bar. For double bar, it is capital V. So yeah. I'm sorry. I'll show you. 1 minute. This after end matrix, end V matrix. So the next item. So the matrix with double vertical bar. So the next form of the matrix, so column matrix, row matrix we will be having. So that thing I will show you now. Column matrix and row matrix in different slide I will show. So I am beginning with a new slide. So first item I am taking, removing, because already I have shown this thing. So row matrix, just I need in a single bracket, so I have took the P matrix, begin P matrix, x1 suffix x1 x2 x3 I have given. So x1 x2 x3 in the same line, end matrix. So and column matrix, next line I need, so I did not use an double bar I have used. So row matrix and column matrix. Yes, it's clearer? Yes, I am continuing. Next thing we will be how to write a large matrix, general matrix having elements 1 to n. In that way 1 to n. Big matrix, how to write a big matrix or a block matrix. Two things now I am going to show in a single slide. How to write a big matrix and block matrix. That is, inside one matrix there will be a 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2, 2 cross 2 matrix, block matrix. That way, how to write that thing in LaTeX. So I am in frame. So to write dots with dots, the long matrix. So I need like this, begin in P matrix, normal bracket I am going to use. So 1, 2, 3, and I need a column dot. So it is C dot. Column dot is C dot, and the last element will be n. Similarly, the next row I will be having 4, 5, 6 C dot with n elements, and then I will be having some vertical dots. So V dot, V dot, V dot, and then column dot, and then V dot, and finally with ends with n. Okay. So if I write like this and end the P matrix, I will be having this matrix. No PDF available, I don't know why. Error. There's some error, it is showing. 1 minute. Begin in P matrix. Minute. Yes, it is coming. So I'll do one by one. 1 minute. So begin in frame. V dot. First item I still the first thing I'll do. So I need end itemize in frame. So this is output. So the first row 1, 2, 3 with dots, and last one 100 amma. So it's clear. I am getting with dots. We should write this thing. Similarly, as I said, block matrix. So I am going to write like this as 4 blocks. First block contain 2 cross 2 matrix. Second block will be 0. Third will be 0, and next also will be a 2 cross 2 matrix. So for this, end matrix. So now after V space, I am giving the next item block matrix, begin in P matrix, end P matrix will be coming there. In that first thing is begin in matrix, only 2 elements in it, 2 cross 2 matrix. So 1 and 0, the next line is 0 and 1. I have ended the matrix. Next I am going parallelly to that matrix. So I have used and math 0, I need function 0 only there. So math BF of 0. Now I am moving on to the next line. So I have used double slash math B function 0, and the next will be begin in matrix 2, 3, 4, 5, end matrix, and finally I am ending the P matrix. So yes, I think I was somewhere wrong. It's not coming. And any symbol I have missed? 1 minute. End matrix, I am getting begin matrix, end matrix, math function 0, begin matrix, I think when I compile I will be getting. Yes. So end matrix, the slash was up, so it was showing wrong. See, I have got 1, 0, 0, 1 in the first block, second block 0, and third block 0, and final block 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is said to be block matrix representation. So next one is, any doubt? Any doubt? Let me continue. Yes, I am having 2 more things. Another one is argument matrix. We will be writing equation as a matrix form. Ax is equal to b as a matrix form. So how to write an argument matrix, how to operate a row operator, and how to write a system of equation as a matrix form. These 3 things is the last thing I am going to give. So I am beginning with the frame. So 2 things here I have given. One is argument matrix, that is A matrix with B element. A matrix with B element. So I have begin P matrix. 1, 2, 3 is the first element and B element is 4. So I will be having a dash there. So for that 1 column I have given. So similarly for row operation, I will say row operation afterwards. I will just compile this. So first one is argument matrix. See 1, 2, 3, element 4 is from B matrix. So 0, 1, 4 and the dash 5. So similarly we can write row operation. I need this R2 should be written as R2 minus 2R1. That is my R2 is 0, 1, 4. I need this thing as R2 minus 2 times of R1. So I have written like this. So for that I have started the matrix, I have ended the matrix P matrix, and after that X right arrow. X right arrow. In that arrow I am going to write the operation what I need. The row 2 R2. So R2 in suffix R I need. So down slash 2 right arrow. I need after that right arrow. R2 can be written as R2 minus 2 R1. So the answer is begin matrix, end matrix. Again I am writing the answer thing. So I will be getting like this. So finally I am going to complete with how to represent a system of equation in a matrix form. System of equation in a matrix form. So in a separate slide I am giving. So begins frame, system of equation. So I am starting begin in matrix first. Matrix A I am writing matrix A into end matrix I am beginning. Again I am starting with a matrix. It is a row matrix, column matrix, no. So X, Y, Z column matrix, end P matrix, that is equal to begin in matrix, end with a column matrix. If I write like this, I think end document is extra. Yes, the system of equation in matrix form I am getting like this. Yes, I am completing with this. Any doubts you can ask. Any doubt? Okay, thank you very much.
The participants are, I request that everyone is asking yesterday's feedback link. The feedback response is already stopped. So no problem, you can submit today's feedback. So kindly provide some, we will provide you the reference material during the last day and along with your assessment. And thanks a lot for Dr. Bharati from Mathematics Department for giving us useful information about how to write equations, especially matrix and all. I hope this session was useful. Actually, we scheduled to plan today about including figures and including tables also. But due to the time bound, we are just completing today's session only with the mathematics equations. We will start the tables including figures names, captions and all, everything by tomorrow at 2 p.m. so that we will have some practical session about how to include figures and all. Yeah, I will share the today's feedback link. That feedback will be closed by this evening, late evening. So kindly submit your feedback as and when. So we are once again reminding you that by Friday we will give you an assessment. You can just look into that assessment, upload that answer sheet in your Google Drive or Google Classroom. We will provide you all the details by tomorrow evening. Once you have submitted that assessment, we will provide you e-certificate. So this is for today's feedback link. I request the participants to kindly submit your feedback before 9 p.m. Please don't share this feedback to anybody else. This is only for the people who attended the session. If you have any doubts, you can just post your chat box. I hope the session was useful. Thank you so much for your participation. Once you have submit your feedback, you can leave the meeting. Sorry, Divya, we couldn't able to share you yesterday's feedback. Kindly submit today's feedback tomorrow and day after tomorrow. That's not a problem. We will accept that also. So this is today's feedback link. Kindly submit before 9 p.m.